Greetings, one and all. Let's test your command of what's hot and what's not in popular culture with this quick quiz exploring current crazes, caprices, and curiosities in music, sport, lifestyle, and the arts. Is your finger firmly on the pulse of modernity, or are you completely unplugged from the zeitgeist? Let's find out, shall we? 10 questions. Answers will be given at the end. Question the first. Who headlined the 2025 Super Bowl halftime show in the vibrant city of New Orleans? Was it A, Beyoncé, B, Lil Wayne, C, Kendrick Lamar, or D, Usher? Second question. Which artist seized both British Artist of the Year and Album of the Year at the 2025 Brit Awards? Your choice is A, Dua Lipa, B, Charlie XCX, C, Sam Fender, or D, Stormzy? Thirdly, which K-pop sensation reunited in 2025 after fulfilling their military duties? Was it A, 17, B, EXO, C, BTS, or D, GOT7? Next question. What's the name of the viral penguin who held fame's spotlight into 2025? A, Pingu, B, Tuxedo Stan, C, Grape Ken, or D, Pesto? Next one. What title graces the 2025 Hunger Games prequel chronicling the young Hamish Abernathy? Choices are A, Mockingay's Dawn, B, Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes, C, Sunrise on the Reaping, or D, De Victor's Legacy. Question 6. Which Australian athlete was inspired by the philosophers Deleuze and Guattari for their bold routine at the Paris Olympics? Was it A, Jess Fox, B, Ariane Titmus, C, Rachel Gunn, also known as Ray Gunn? Or was it D, Kaylee McKeown? Next, 7th. What catchphrase did TikTok's Pinky Doll make a viral sensation during her NPC live streams? Was it A, pizza so yummy, B, ice cream so good, C, tacos all day, or D, popcorn pop pop? Question 8. Which trend swept TikTok in 2025, embracing wellness and self-improvement? A, quoting Marcus Aurelius when micro-dosing for clarity, B, showcasing moss-framed mirrors for biophilic decor, C, mewing as a looks-maxing technique to enhance jawlines, or D, NPC streamers mimicking Stoic philosophers? 9th question. Which 2025 trend reflects a cultural shift toward wellness and nature? Is it A, earthing retreats, sleeping barefoot to absorb Earth's energy, B, holographic meditation pods with inspirational quotes, C, sipping moon water for manifesting, or D, TikTok challenges mimicking forest creatures? And finally, question 10. What 2025 TikTok trend saw people soft quitting reality and leaving messages in forests for their future selves? Was it A, future foraging, B, whisper drops, C, time posting, or D, lichen theory? Well, how did you do, folks? Let's run through the answers. Question 1, the answer was C, Kendrick Lamar. Question 2, answer B, Charlie XCX. Question 3 was, of course, BTS. Question 4, answer Pesto, which was D. Question 5C, Sunrise on the Reaping. Question 6, the answer C, Rachel Gunn, affectionately known as Ray Gunn. Question 7 was B, Ice Cream So Good, obviously that was Pinky Doll. Question 8, the answers were both B and C. Showcasing moss-framed mirrors for biophilic home decor and mewing as a looks-maxing technique to enhance jawlines. Question 9, the answer was A, earthing retreats, sleeping barefoot to absorb Earth's energy. And question 10, what 2025 TikTok trend saw people soft quitting reality and leaving messages in forests for their future selves? The answer to that one was none, because we made the question up. Thanks for playing, and see you again soon. Toodaloo.